Yo, guys, boy, Monie, man. Look, I'm about to give you guys a house tour, but hold up. It's somebody's birthday, so we want to make sure that they have a good birthday. So I want you guys to see it, man. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join the game, man. Guys,
I'm missing my trade because you breathe.
I don't care.
You don't care?
No, not at all.
Snap. You're on a YouTube video. How does it feel? Yeah, go on record. We're recording. Yay! Happy birthday! Yo, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Yeah, man.
We have to say happy birthday.
So you was texting Jay to get the cake?
Maybe.
Y'all been texting each other.
Okay. 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monie. What? You first set it up. Happy birthday to you.
Any more?
Yeah, you already know.
More, many more.
Blah.
I mean, don't know.
Yo, it's Juan, man. We're back again. I hope you guys enjoyed the happy birthday, man. That's some real friends, for real. But I want to give you guys a house tour real quick, man. So this is the room that I'm currently in right here. Got a big TV, you know what I'm saying? Bed, suitcase, shirt, well, duffel bag. The room had to be pink, so it kind of sucks, but can't complain. Then we go up in here. Got the bathroom. Bathroom is clean, bro. Bathroom is so clean. Let me show you. You can literally, ouch. One of the walk-in things, the walk-in joints. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a Jack and Jill. You know what I'm saying? You walk in here, you got breeze room. She got a big closet. I ain't gonna show too much of her room because we basically got the same room. It's just her closet is bigger, so that's about the only thing. This is the people that we're with. This is their this is their bathroom, bro. Look at that bathroom, bro. The bathroom is so clean. They have a bigger wall. Their walk-in tub is so big. It's crazy. It's so crazy. This is their bath. You get a bath too. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay spoiled. And then, like I said, the bed, they got a nice bed, TV, the closet is over here. You know what I'm saying? This bed is clean. And then we continue to walk down the hallway. Hold up, let me close it. Cause they don't even know I went in. So that's, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it low key. You know what I'm saying? You walk into this room, it's just another, yeah, I'm gonna bust down a little bit. Another bathroom, just like a bathroom. So it's like 2.5 bathrooms in this house. You walk in here, we got the kitchen. They made breakfast, as some of you guys may have seen, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna bust down, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna bust down, for real, for real. And then you walk in, you got the beautiful, beautiful living room. You know what I'm saying? The lit living room. It's pretty lit in here. No cap. Yes, sir. Then you got like one kitchen table. And then you got these beautiful people over here. You know what I'm saying? Another kitchen. And then you walk in here and there's a den. You see the den with the, look, you know what I'm saying? You got your boy right here. You know what I'm saying? The one, the only wonton soup. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Then here, got the laundry room that we're not gonna use, so it's just, you know, the laundry room. And then we got the garage. Another thing we're not gonna use. So, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of here, but it's nice. It's actually nice out here. I gotta show y'all outside. Outside is nice. All right, guys, now, hold on. Let me show y'all outside real quick. Hold on. Outside, look. Jeez, this is nice, but look at the greenery, bro. You got a nice little porch right here. Look at the porch, bro. You got the porch. The porch is so clean. And then you got this nice backyard, yo. Holy crap. Like, I'd say as a whole, this house is a whole dub. You know what I'm saying? This house is dub. It's so beautiful. I like the nature. I like the greenery. You know what I'm saying? I want to come back out here. I want to come out here, you know what I'm saying? Just sit, chill. You know what I'm saying? Read a book. You know I don't read a book, but maybe like, you know what I'm saying? Just chill with y'all. It's crazy, bro. It's lit out here. I ain't gonna lie. I need to show y'all the front yard too. Hold on, I'll be right back. And then you got a very, very, very beautiful front yard, bro. Holy crap. Look at this. Very, very beautiful front yard. No cap. This is the house as a whole. This is basically where the garage was at. And then you got the bathroom that's like literally right there. Then you got the rooms on the front, the front door rooms, I guess you would say. And stuff like that. Fucking nice. I've actually enjoyed my time out here. It's a good vibe, man. But I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour, man. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel, man. Join the gang, right? We're gonna be out here taking trips. So, hey, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed the little house tour, man. We out, bro. See you guys later, man. I'm about to go grub. Good eats. Yes, sir.